In this video, I'll show you the best blur reduction settings for ASUS TUF VG259QM to get clearer motion, less blur, and sharper gameplay for competitive gaming in 2026. First, let's understand what blur reduction does. Blur reduction, also called ELMB, reduces motion blur by controlling backlight strobing. This makes moving objects look sharper, especially in fast FPS games. Now let's set it up step by step. Step 1. Open Monitor menu. Press the joystick button behind your monitor to open the OSD menu. Step 2. Go to Gaming Settings, navigate to the Gaming tab, and find ELMB/ELMB Sync. Step 3. Enable ELMB Sync. Best option, turn on ELMB Sync. This allows blur reduction while keeping adaptive sync active, giving smoother gameplay without tearing. Step 4. Set refresh rate correctly. Go to Windows Display Settings and set refresh rate to 240 Hz or 280 Hz for best clarity. Step 5. Adjust brightness. Blur reduction lowers brightness slightly, so increase brightness to around 80 to 100 depending on your room lighting. Best recommended settings. ELMB Sync on. Refresh rate 240 Hz/280 Hz. Overdrive level 60, adaptive sync enabled. Brightness 80 to 100. Important tips. Blur reduction works best when FPS is stable and close to refresh rate. Avoid using ELMB at very low FPS. It may cause flickering. For story games, you may prefer ELMB off for brighter visuals. And that's it. Your ASUS TUF VG259QM is now optimized for ultra-clear motion and competitive gaming performance in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more gaming monitor optimization tips.